Hello everyone, this is Momita and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about things that we need to know before we go and buy eggs from the market. According to a 2003 study that came out of Pennsylvania State University, researchers found that an egg that comes from pasture-raised farms contains twice as much omega-3, contains 3 times more vitamin D, contains 4 times more vitamin E, and 7 times more beta carotene in comparison to eggs that come from hens fed on traditional diet. Now, traditional diet is a very common diet. Like hens are fed on grains like corn, wheat, barley, millet, rye, and sometimes byproduct of those grains. They are also fed on little bit skim milk when they are young, and they are also given animal oil. But pasture raised eggs are totally different. Here hens roam around in certain area of space. They get approximately 108 square feet area to roam around. They fight with one another, they play, they get a lot of sunlight during daytime. They pick up worms, insects, they eat grass. So pasture raised hens are differently treated. They are much more stress free, so the eggs that we get are more nutritious. So our first point is we should look for pasture raised eggs. If we don't get the access of pasture raised eggs, at least we should ask question that how the hens are treated, what diet they are given. Now, to understand pasture raised eggs better, we need to understand other varieties and types of eggs that are sold in the market. It can be caged hen eggs, it can be cage free, it can be free range. Now, caged hens eggs are, as the name goes, like it, they are caged. They are almost not given any space, and they are fed on regular diet. So these hens don't get to see the sunlight. They are quite stressed up. Next is cage free eggs. They are given less than 1 square feet area. They are also fed on traditional diet, and they also don't get to see sunlight. Now coming to free range eggs. These eggs comes from hens that get little bit more space. They get less than 2 square feet area, and they seldom get to see sunlight, but they're also fed on traditional diet. So overall, pasture raised hens eggs are much better and nutritious. So look for pasture raised eggs. That is our first point. Now point number 2 is we need to look for certified human pasture seal or stamp on the package. Now this is certified human. An egg that meets their standards, and it comes from a farm that has been inspected according to Adel Douglas from Certified Human. They also perform a traceability audit to identify each egg that gets into the carton comes from Certified Human pasture farm. We can really trust this organization. For further information, we can go to their website, Certified Human, and we can just check all the information. Now coming to third point, that is we should look for organic eggs. Now organic eggs, that means eggs don't come from hens that undergo genetical modification or genetic modification. And finally, we should not forget to check the sell by date or best before date, because eggs don't stay safe for long. They stay safe for 4 to 6 weeks after this sell by date. And if there is a expiration date directly given, then we know like we have to eat it within expiration date. And if base before date is given, then that is also okay, and we can look for it. And now coming to storage, avoid storing them on the doors. Rather, we should store them inside the refrigerator or freeze. And regarding hygiene, we should avoid cracked eggs because cracked eggs are microbiologically not safe. If we find very minor crack, then we need to cook it for 2 hours, at least 2 hours, to get rid of all the microorganisms. And lastly, if we are touching raw egg or cracked eggs, then we should wash our hand thoroughly so that we don't spread germs. Some people often ask question like, are eggs really healthy for us? The answer that I got from the website of Harvard University of Public Health, I read their article, and what I understood it is an adult can eat one egg a day, and that is absolutely fine. And if we increase the number of egg, risk also increases. Now, if someone is suffering from diabetes, then he or she should not eat more than 3 egg yolks a day. It also matters how we are eating that egg. If we are eating egg with cheese and sausage, then that is definitely harmful. But if we are eating egg with whole wheat or whole grain muffin or bread, then that is okay. Overall, eggs are better than sugar. And lastly, there is a myth that some people often think brown eggs are more healthy, more nutritious. Nothing like that. Brown, white, or any color of egg that comes from different species of hens, they're just different because they come from different hens, and there is nothing like that. They're almost same nutritionally. So that's all for today. Keep watching, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye bye.